I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Thunder Creations here in Millbridge, Maine. Now, you've seen me make things, but my wife is also a maker. She makes these felt bird and critter patterns, and she also sells kits complete with everything you need to make these ornaments. And you can buy those, or if you want, she also offers free plans or free patterns you can download from her website, DowneastThunderFarm.com. And while she's away, I'm putting together an order, and I'll show you what's involved in that of the kits that we ship out. So stay tuned, see what goes on. It all starts with cutting out felt, and each pattern has different colors, and the felt has to be cut in different sizes depending on the design. So as you can see, this is what I'm doing now, and I'm cutting out felt for two identical kits in this case. The customer ordered two of the same kits, and these are the larger owls for I think it's called the Joyful Wreath Owl, which is larger than the average kit because it fits right in the middle of a Christmas wreath. So I'm just going ahead and I'm measuring out and cutting all the different color felts for two kits, and I do that first. This is called floss that I'm cutting right now, and the floss is, it's sort of like, it's heavier than a thread, but not quite like yarn, and it comes in different lengths and different colors depending upon the design. While I'm thinking about it, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video if you will, and share it. I really appreciate it. That helps me continue to provide more YouTube content. Thank you. Here I'm packaging up the needles, and also there are beads that are used. They call them seed beads. Use them for eyes and other things. I also have to cut pieces of wire, and it all has to go in the pile that will become part of the package. I'm now pulling out the stuffing, which is called fiber fill. I think it's called fiber fill. And that's the stuffing so that the bird has a three-dimensional effect, or critter, or whatever it is you're making. And those also pulled out in a proper amount and put in the package of each kit. And now it's just a matter of taking all of these different components that have been measured out and sized and cut and compiled, and putting it all into the bag, into the finished package, and then it's ready to put into the mailer and ship it out. Ready for the mail. We'll send it out shortly. Now it's just a hike down to the mailbox. We'll put her in the mailbox and put the flag up for the mailman to come by and pick it up. This is the home page of my wife Susan's Downeast Thunder Farm blog. It's DowneastThunderFarm.com. downeastthunderfarm.com. And if you're looking for Susan's free felt patterns, just look up here and you'll see a little menu. Drop down, there's felt patterns for birds and critters, sea life, even insects, other felt patterns. So there's a variety of things you can choose from, and Susan doesn't charge for those. But if you wanted to buy a kit, if you look over here on the menu, there's a menu that says shop, and you can look at felt kits, and the page just went to the felt kits, and let's see, that gives you an idea of what's available. There's a number, you just keep scrolling, there's all kinds of kits available, and you not only get a pattern with the kit, but you get all of the felt material, the stuffing, the thread, or what do they call it, wire, beads, whatever it takes, everything is in there, even needles. You'll even find the needles for everything you need to build it is in there. And these have become very popular. And the ones that you buy in a kit are highly refined from the ones that are free. The free patterns, you just do a PDF download and you supply your own materials. You're pretty much on your own, but the instructions are with the patterns though. But with these you get the instructions, you get full-size patterns, plus all the materials. And that you'll find at downeastthunderfarm.com. So my wife is also a maker, and this is what she does.